Hey, what's up? I'm Russ, and this is Dapper Dividends. I've been working in the trades and welding for over 20 years now, but I also have a passion for dividend growth investing. I created this Dapper Dividends channel to share my knowledge and information on investing and dividends every week with you. I also have a little side hobby I'm doing called Stashing Worthy Acorns, where I put $50 into the Stash app, the Worthy Bonds app, and the Acorns app, adding $5 a week for 2 years, and I'm sharing the progress every week with you. So let's do something today that your future self will thank you for.